What's up, guys? So today we're going to be working with a GE washer top loader. This is what they call an auger. Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove it. I've seen other couple videos, but I just wanted to give it a little bit more of details because I did struggle taking it off. It is a pain. So let me show you little tricks what you can do to make it easier for you. I did already removed it. So this is what you see. You see those clips right there that go around, so you can see what's going on with it before I put it on and show you how to remove it. So we have a 7/16 bolt that's what holds the whole plate. All right, so as you can see the little clips. Now let me show you what it looks through the bottom side. It looks like this. Okay, you see there's a screwdriver. I'll show you in a little bit of details what it means and how to do that. Okay, so you have those clips. You see those L looking shapes? Okay, that's what goes into those other clips over there. So you clockwise, you turn it and it will unlock to relock it back in when you're replacing the new one. Screwdriver through, and then you counterclockwise, that's what's going to make it tight and go into place. All right, so let me go into details on this auger itself. How to remove it. So you have this little hole right here. Okay, you have to align it with this little nipple or dots, whatever you want to call it. So what happens is it aligns this bottom piece with the top piece. All right, so you put the screwdriver through, and that's gonna allow it to lock it. So whenever you turn it this one clockwise to remove, everything will come off. As you can see on the bottom, those L-shaped locks will remove, and then it pops right out. You'll know as soon as you do like a half turn, and it'll pop right out. Now, being that it's kind of tight in the tub itself, it's really hard to turn the whole thing and unlock it. Okay, so what I went and got was, I went to AutoZone, actually O'Reilly's, and I got one of these to remove the filters. Now, I wasn't sure where you have to place it. I was placing it here, and to make it easier, you have to place it right where the nipple is. Okay, so as soon as you have the screwdriver through, go ahead and put it in to show you. Okay, let me just do that really quick. Sorry, I'm doing everything one hand. So you see how it goes through? It goes through. Now it goes into a lock system, right? So it holds both of them. So what I was doing, I was holding that rubber piece on this part. No, when you have to do it, put it on this one, on these. Okay, so let me do that really quick so I can show you how it's done. Let me see if I can lock it. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to record and do this little quick video. So this is what it looks like. All right, you want to grab this bottom piece. Okay, so whenever you unlock it, when you look at it from the top, you're gonna pull this way. Okay, you grab this, you grab the tub, and then yank it with this one. Okay, because it is really tough, and especially in a tight spot in there, you don't have it's just awkward to make force. When you're in here, you're basically leaning over, you lose a lot of strength. So once again, you hold it like that. You hold the tub, you have somebody else hold the tub, and you just yank this way. Okay, yank it meaning you just don't push it, you yank it a couple times until it unlocks, and it just pops out. Okay, really easy. You'll feel it. There's no how far you got to go. As soon as you yank it, that thing will come off. You feel a pop, the whole auger comes out. And to reverse, same thing. You put the screwdriver through, you put it in. You don't have to yank it on this one. All you do is just turn it counterclockwise, and that will lock in shape. Okay, in the spot. So yeah, so this is where the GEs, okay, the newer GE styles. So as soon as you see where the nipple is and stuff like that on these, it's called the augers, which is the agitator. Okay guys, so any questions, go ahead and leave comments. Subscribe. I've been a little busy, I haven't done any content, but subscribe because I got a lot of things. Okay, got a lot of things to work, so more content will be coming out soon. All right, if I have, once again, any questions, or if you need any parts, we work with the manufacturers directly, okay? All original parts. If you need any parts, we ship basically all nationwide. So any parts, just send me a message in the comments, put a model number and put the part you need. We'll find a way that so I can ship it to you, and then we can do either Cash App, Zelle, whatever, or over the phone. We are a legit business. We're Legacy Appliance here in El Paso, Texas. We're registered and everything. So just in case you need parts, let us know. We'll go ahead and answer. We'll help you out. Once again, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.